This is the Turnitin Clarity writing space. Here you can access assignment instructions, a writing environment, and feedback all in one place. Let's start by looking through the features available here. Start by adding a title to your assignment. Note the formatting options available, including the ability to add footnotes. The document will autosave any changes you make. Note that this means that you will need an internet connection while using the writing space. If you want to hide the side panel, click here to enable focused view. In the side panel, you can see the assignment details. Make sure to read any instructions and the rubric carefully before you begin. You can click the rubric to see it in full. If it has been enabled by your instructor, you will also be able to see the AI chat feature. This feature is here to help you use AI responsibly within your writing process. You can use it at any point in your writing and as many times as you like. Note the initial suggestions, or click the Suggested Prompts menu to choose from a bigger list. If you click a prompt, it will populate the chat field for you, which you can then edit if needed. Or you can simply type your own question. Responses from the AI assistant are designed to help you develop your critical thinking and creativity. If you, for example, ask the AI assistant to write your assignment for you, it will remind you that doing your own work is part of the writing process. The answers the AI assistant gives are guided by the assignment instructions and rubric. So, if you ask something off topic, it will remind you to return to the subject of the assignment. Similarly, the AI assistant will review the assignment instructions for any restrictions on how you should use AI in your assignment. The AI assistant will follow these rules in its interaction with you, so make sure to familiarize yourself with these before you begin. You can query the AI assistant about your whole essay, or select part of it to ask about that section specifically. For example, if you want feedback on a particular paragraph. It's very important to note that your instructor can access the AI chat history, so don't write anything there that you wouldn't want them to see. This might include requests that the AI assistant completes your work for you, any inappropriate or off-topic questions, or anything else you wouldn't want assessed as part of your work. A spelling check is automatically enabled, so you may notice errors underlined in red as you write. Your instructor may also have enabled a grammar check for the assignment. Open the menu and click to run the check. Grammar errors are underlined in blue. You may notice some overlap between grammar and spelling errors. Grammar and spelling is now offered in US and UK English. To change the language, click on the menu icon and select the language. Note that this menu also allows you to download a PDF copy of your composition at any point in the writing process. Your instructor may enable a citations check feature as well. To use the citations checker, click this button and then click the citation check button. The checker will then review your document and underline the areas that should be reviewed and might need editing. You can then click on the underlined content and see the citation checker's suggestion. As with all suggestions, you should review them and determine if you would like to make the change. You can then choose to ignore or accept the suggestion. As you write your essay, bear in mind that your instructor will be able to access a report on your writing process. This will include details of the amount of time you spent writing, any text that was copied and pasted in from elsewhere, and how you revised text. This is designed to promote transparency in the writing process and give you peace of mind that your work will be assessed as authentic. Therefore, make sure that you use the writing space as the primary space for composing your assignment. You should not, for example, write your essay in a Word document and then copy and paste it in. You can close your assignment at any time and return to work on it before the due date. If resubmissions are enabled for your assignment, you will be able to submit your assignment multiple times before the due date. Note that your instructor will be able to see your work as soon as you click Submit, even if this is before the due date. If resubmissions are not permitted, do not click Submit until you are happy with your work. You should also be aware that if late submissions are allowed and you are submitting your assignment after the due date, you will only be able to submit once. It will not be possible to make changes and resubmit later. To reopen a submitted or unfinished assignment, navigate back into your assignment and click to continue writing. Make sure to submit or resubmit before the due date. Note that if you are making changes to a previously submitted assignment and do not click Resubmit, your changes will not be saved. In the next video, we'll look at what comes after submission.